This presentation will review how to create your REDCap data collection tool for the thyroid nodule mode of detection study as part of the American Head and Neck Society Endocrine Section Research Collaborative. First, you will sign into your institution's REDCap page and then select New Project at the top of the screen. Next, you will enter a project title that identifies the study. In this example, we used Combined NIFTP and Mode of Detection Study, Vermont. For the next section, Purpose of this project, click to open the drop-down menu and select Research. Next, enter the name of the PI. Then insert email address of the PI. Select Clinical Research Study or Trial, and create an empty project in parentheses blank slate. Then click Create Project at the bottom of the page. Next, click Project Setup in the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Subsequently, ensure that you are in the Project Setup tab. Next, click Data Dictionary, which will place you in a new tab that will allow you to upload your data dictionary. Click Choose File and select the data dictionary file that was provided to you. Then click Upload File. The next screen should indicate that the document was uploaded successfully without errors or warnings. Next, click Commit Changes and it should indicate Changes Made Successfully. Next, click Data Import Tool on the left panel. This will bring you to the CSV Import tab, and at the bottom of the screen, click Choose File and select the file that was provided to you with your site name. Then click Upload. The screen should indicate that your document was uploaded successfully and is ready for review. Ensure that there are no errors or warnings. As you scroll down, there should only be green and black text. Please notify us if you see any error messages. Next, click Import Data. It will indicate that the data is being imported, and this can take several minutes. Once complete, you will receive a message that the import was successful. Next, select Add/Edit Records at the left panel. Then select Record Number 1. Click the button in the Status column to open the record and the fields. For those who participated in the NIFTP study, you will see the baseline data that you previously collected. If you are new to the consortium, there will only be an AHNS study ID, while the rest of the form will be blank. Each study site will keep for their own records a crosswalk of their patient study identifiers that links to the AHNS study ID. Now it is time to move the project into production and begin entering data. Click the Project Setup tab in the left-hand panel. At the bottom of the screen, click Move Project to Production. For those that participated in the NIFTP project, as you are entering the case classification for the mode of detection, please check to see that a size dimension for the nodule in question was entered, whether benign or malignant. If the size was not noted on the pathology report, please use the ultrasound measurement. Use of NA or none should be avoided here. For the mode of detection, some classifications will have additional questions that pop up when selected. Please fill in accordingly. Additionally, it is important to document the story and rationale for classification. This information is to be entered in the section highlighted in red. The following is an example of an entry. This patient had a CT scan of the chest done 6 years ago in which an enlarged thyroid was noted and reported. No action was taken at that time. The patient presents now with dysphagia, and though the finding is old, because no action was taken at the time, and this is the most recent series of events, is classified as symptomatic thyroid. After you have completed your data collection and are ready to send to us for analysis, click the Data Export Reports and Stats on the left panel. Then click the Export Data button. First select CSV, Microsoft Excel, Raw Data, and then Export. Then click on the icon to download the file. You will repeat the process, but the second time click CSV, Microsoft Excel Labels. We ask that you send both the raw and label files. This concludes the REDCap instructions video. Please notify us with any questions or concerns that may arise during the process.